What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to move or copy comments from one post to another post, or from one post to another custom post type, or from a product to another product on your WooCommerce shop, all in a simple, fast and effective method that works for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use international sites' favor. So let's get this started. Imagine the following scenario. You did updated or you did created a new post with the same title but other contents from a previous post, and you need to move comments between one post to another, or you need to copy the comments. How to do this? First of all, move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on Add New. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the field called Keywords into Search Plugins, we're gonna type Copy or Move Comments. So here is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And here is the Copy Comments plugin, okay? And if you review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard and you scroll down, next to settings, you're gonna be able to see a new menu called Copy Movie Comments. Click on it. And right here, you can select what you want to do. First of all, we need to select the action. We can copy or move. Move, it's almost like a migration, because you're gonna remove the comments from the original place, from the source, and apply it to the new post. And copy, it's just create a copy, okay? It's up to your needs. I'm gonna move. So move comments from can be a post or a page, or in the case that you have some products, or in the case that you have other parts, okay? In my case, it's a post, okay? Here is the posts we have. My source is a post called Hello World, and the select content type, it's single or with reply. So I can select a single comment or a comment and their replies. I recommend that you always select with replies to move all of the content. Now the target, we can select the post type. It can be a post or a page, a post, and can be our new post example, it's the post name, okay? And we can perform action. So what I'm doing basically, I'm removing the comments from this post right here. Here is the comments to this post right here. As you can see, there is no comment right here. So I'm gonna move these comments. We're gonna click into this button to perform according to the number of the posts that you have. When you select to move or to copy the post from one post to another, you may be able to see a section, a list where we can select the posts just right here before performing the action to move the posts, okay? But this is, some cases work, some cases not, okay? As you can see, let me choose another post so you can review it. And right here, we're gonna be able to select the comments that you would like to submit for other posts or not, okay? And that is, after performing the action, all the posts gonna be moved. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. Check our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, and templates to build your site for free, or Enzu WordPress theme, or Growth with 3ws.net platform for receiving and publishing guest posts on your blog, in the case that you want. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our premium templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style. In addition, with your blocks, templates, assets, layouts, premium blocks, plugins, themes, and many more options. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.